Hi, my name is Victor Doe, and I am a third-year medical student here at Oklahoma State University Center for Health Sciences. And our topic today is over evaluating data sharing policies and author compliance in leading pain journals. So throughout the years, we've seen a continued incidence of low reproducibility rates in the biomedical research field, and this raises significant concern regarding the validity of the research and published articles out there. And this is important given that our clinical practice guidelines for treating chronic pain are based on this research. Currently, chronic pain impacts over 51.6 million Americans and costs $560 billion annually. So we can't emphasize enough the importance of reliability and transparency of medical research. One of the key tools out there that's been shown to really enhance research transparency is a thing called data sharing statements. However, there's been many studies that have come out showing that leading medical journals, particularly pain management journals, have low levels of standards regarding research transparency and data sharing statements. So our study aims to evaluate data sharing statement usage and compliance in these top pain management journals, as well as to identify insufficiencies or gaps in implementing data sharing statement usage. So for our methods, we first chose the top 5 pain and pain management journals using Google Scholar metrics ranks. And from these journals, we pulled all their articles from PubMed from the years 2019 to 2023. And afterwards, we screened and extracted data from these articles using standardized forms to record data sharing statement presence, themes, and author responsiveness to data sharing requests. For our results, you can see that we've graphed out the 5 different journals. The solid black line represents how many articles were published during a specific year, and the blue dashed line represents what percentage of published articles within that journal that year had a data sharing statement. If you look at Table 1 on the right, you'll notice that from 2019 to 2023, the Journal of Headache and Pain had the highest presence of data sharing statements, with 100% of their articles having one. However, only 20% of articles in the Journal of Pain and Symptom Management have data sharing statements. And the other 3 journals had variable data sharing statement rates somewhere in between. And so what we found is that journal editorial policies have a significant impact on the variability of data sharing statements among different journals. For example, the Journal of Headache and Pain mandates each of its articles to have an availability of data and materials section during submission. And as a result, this journal had the highest data sharing statement availability rate. In general, though, throughout the years, we have been able to see more articles adopting data sharing statement sections. So if you'll notice, starting in 2019, the prevalence of data sharing statements in all 5 journals is around 18%, then increases to 27% the next year, then goes up to 42%, and then reaches a high of 54% in 2022, and then it remains around 52% in 2023. So as you can see, there is a significant amount of variability across data sharing statement presence and implementation in the top pain and pain management journals. By overcoming obstacles and through promoting a culture of openness, we can improve the transparency and reliability of research in the field of pain and pain management. And what we found is that by strengthening editorial policies and by providing adequate support, we can improve the quality of biomedical research and its influence on advancing clinical care in the field of pain and pain management. Thank you.